welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now, today we're still stuck inside, self-isolated, but now we're craving something sweet. So here's my recipe for a perfect vanilla cheesecake. It's the best recipe that I've come across, and the secret is to burn that cheesecake. Let's get right into it. So we're starting with our cream cheese, to which we'll add caster sugar and some mascarpone. Mascarpone is essentially Italian cream cheese. It has a higher fat content, so it gives a richer, creamier taste. We'll just cream that cream cheese and the sugar together. And now we'll add some eggs. 5 eggs, just one at a time. We'll swap from our electric whisk over to our hand whisk and just scrape down the sides of that bowl. So everything's incorporated, nothing's wasted. We're gonna add some double cream and some vanilla extract. Always use extract over essence. Essentially, extract is natural, essence is artificial. And we always like to keep it real other than fake. We'll add some plain flour to this. So plain flour is used to aid stability in baking and final cutting of the cheesecake, and it gives you a slightly denser, firmer texture. Now to line our mould. So we've got a springform pan, so this will allow you to release the sides without trying to force the cheesecake up from the bottom. Just add some greaseproof paper into here, and keep it rough and cragged so you get that beautiful rustic effect to the cheesecake. It's always best to kind of keep things simple. Simplicity is key. So I'm going to bake at 220 for about 30 to 45 minutes until our cheesecake is burnt and caramelized and crispy on top. Just allow it to set for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll release from the pan and just peel away that greaseproof paper. You want to serve this slightly warm. Just ease your way, don't rush, take your time, slice that into that cheesecake. And we'll get about 8 to 12 portions out of this recipe. So here's our self-isolation night in burnt vanilla cheesecake. Done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to like and to share the video. And to not miss the next one in the series, make sure to subscribe to the channel and then hit the bell notification so you're alerted when the next video lands. It'll be very, very soon. I'll see you next time.